Went out to eat last night. We took half our meal to go, and so we're gonna make breakfast with our leftovers last night. We're making steak, eggs, we're gonna have waffles, and we have potatoes here that we're gonna make into hash browns. So let's get to it.
So this is an easy way that you can make last night's leftovers into a convenient meal for breakfast. High protein, gonna be satiating. It's easy to stay on track.
All right, first we're going to chop up some onions because we're going to make some hash browns. I'm gonna chop up these baked potatoes that we had last night that are leftovers. All right, we're gonna start sauteing the onions.
Yes.
All right, our onions are nice and golden brown, and now we're gonna add our potatoes from last night. Nice and chopped. We're gonna mix that up and saute that for a little bit. Probably add a little bit more butter and salt and pepper. Ooh, look at that. What, Matt?
So I was going for a coffee break and I poured egg whites into the coffee. Don't do that. It's very deceiving. They look identical.
All right, now we're gonna take our leftover steak and we're gonna slice that nice and thin, and we're gonna saute that a little bit. All right, Matt is making some Kodiak cake pancake waffles right here. Look at that. All right, now we're just going to saute the steak.
Beth, did you wash that steak?
No, I didn't. And I didn't wash my fucking hands either. You're not eating it.
Look at that.
Look at that, nice.
That's crispy.
Woohoo, guys.
Crack an egg.
We're making eggs now. Matt's having whole eggs. I am having egg whites. Now, just because Matt wants regular eggs and I want egg whites doesn't mean that one is either better or not better. It's what he prefers and then what I prefer. And that's what you guys need to understand. This is what works for both of us. Okay, so I'm gonna have 2 ounces of the steak that I just cooked. 110 grams of the potatoes.
I'm not tracking calories, so I'm eating mindfully. I'm going for about 4 ounces of protein. So here we have my plate. We got the 4 ounces of steak, a couple of eggs, potatoes, some raspberries for the fiber.